Filming on your own can be nothing short of a hassle. If you don't have a proper tripod, you'll probably find yourself fumbling around trying to prop your phone up against a set of books or maybe even a lamp. Most of the time, the angle is all wrong and your phone ends up slipping anyways. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to tell you all about the ProMaster Adaptable Phone Stand, aka the answer you've been looking for. This little phone stand has a spring-loaded clamp that rotates a full 360 degrees and will open over 3.5 inches wide to accommodate most smartphones, even with the case on. It's got an integrated dovetail quick-release plate that makes mounting to most tripods quick and easy, along with 300 degrees of tilt control. It also has a cold shoe and a 1/4 20 threaded port for alternative mounting or to hold any accessories like a microphone or a small light. This might look like an ordinary phone clamp, but it's actually super versatile. Not only can you connect it to a tripod or light stand, but its fold-out legs convert it into a tabletop stand. Or you can even bring the legs out this way to convert it into a handheld stabilizer. It's made from CNC machined aluminum and includes a hex wrench for adjusting the tilting mechanism's drag. If you have any other questions about the ProMaster Adaptable Phone Stand, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. I can hardly stand how much I love this thing. I'll see you next time.